How to block a contact in WhatsApp and are they notified? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and check if you have the latest version of the WhatsApp application on a device or not. So let's just check. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the WhatsApp application on our device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead us to WhatsApp application over here. Now just select any of the contact that you want to block. For example, I'm going to select this contact over here, and then all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then tap on more, and here you can see the option of block. So tap on block. So here it gives a pop-up that block contacts cannot call or send your messages, and this contact will not be notified. So you just have to tap on the block option over here. You can also report the contact that you have blocked, but you can skip to do that as well, and then tap on block, and there you go, you have blocked the contact and they will not be notified. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.